the people that we've been meeting have been fantastic. Actually, a little bit of an eye-opener. We're meeting chief innovation officers, chief transformation officers. So we're seeing these, unique roles that are coming up in the banking industry, which really kind of ties into what BT is thinking around agile banking and innovation. So we're having some very, very intelligent conversations.
I think it's been quite refreshing. I mean, one of the key insights over the last 2 days is that increasingly the conversation has revolved around the importance of being focused on the customer, being highly customer-centric and empathetic to your customer. So less about innovation for innovation's sake and more about innovation to support and lengthen and deepen the relationship with the customer, which I think is hugely, hugely refreshing and it's great. I mean, I think it hints at a change in the nature of the conversation around innovation.
Absolutely, there's a lot of interesting people here to meet, and what's I think really interesting is that this is very much, although a regional event, it's an international event. There's people here from all over the place, so it's very positive in that respect.
Well, I've been very, very impressed and pleasantly surprised by this event and the level of, shall we say, executive sponsorship. There have been a number of people that I've spoken to who've been senior decision makers across the board in banking organizations, and some of the most illustrious banking organizations are represented here. My experience so far has been very, very good. Like I say, I was pleasantly surprised. We had a room of about 300 people, and I had the pleasant opportunity of presenting, or rather leading, a discussion panel, which went on for, happy to say, over the 45 minutes that it was planned for. So very good response from the audience as well.
We wanted to, Kodak Alaris is a recently formed company. It's a UK-owned company by a financial institution, owns the information management and personalised imaging parts of Kodak, very profitable businesses as a result of Kodak's emergence, if you like, from its financial issues. We are here really to fly the flag to show that, yes, we are a strong, sustainable business and we've got lots and lots to offer, and that's why we wanted to be at the event. We've already started to meet with partners and covered a couple of projects, so far it looks as if it's going to be a very rewarding event for us.
Well, the exposure was right. We've met with different sets of people, from vendors to competitive banks. I mean, there was a lot of idea sharing, and the presentations covered a whole lot of topics that were important for us.
Actually, the Middle East Banking Innovations was great and a good experience for me. It brought many of new things and new initiatives to our attentions, which we have to take care and to consider for our future plans as well.
We have chosen to participate this year as Diamond sponsor at the 3rd Annual Banking Innovation Summit because we can see just from the people who are here and the discussions that we're having, I mean, these are senior level banking professionals, people that are very interested in the dialogue around innovation, best practices, and networking with companies on the vendor side, as well as their counterparts and peers who've done it before. And so what's really exciting for us is to be a part of the discussion that's taking place here. In some cases learning, in some cases hopefully helping to enlighten, based on our experience.
I'm pleasantly surprised. When I actually accepted the invitation for the Expo, I thought it was just a banking summit, and then it turned out to be a more IT technology related. But given what we are planning to do with National Bank of Bahrain, I think it's been a useful, valuable trip.
For me, as a CIO of Sharjah Islamic Bank, one of the purpose to attend such event is, of course, to network with people, meet the presenters which you bring, experts, and also meet people from the industry who are my peers, or even people from business side as well. So it's a good opportunity to network with people.
I think the emerging innovation that I see for the next year is ongoing. It's more focused on customer experience. I think competition is really picking up, has picked up. So everyone is focusing on how they can differentiate, how they can engage the customer. So customer engagement, customer experience, I think is getting more and more attention.
I think it's sort of bringing lots and lots of different technological capabilities that we have as a company, and being able to translate that into something that helps our customers to do a better job.
I believe Middle East Banking Innovation Summit, we are participating in it for the second year. I think the number of participants and delegates is really higher, maybe double than the last year. I believe it's really more successful this year, and I believe that every year it will be more and more. I am finding a lot of exhibitors, a lot of banking CEOs and banking decision makers is there, and actually this is the right place where we can come in order to really exhibit and market our products and services.